Greta is an integrated analysis system that collects data from the field and manages processes from remote. It's a combination of field devices and intelligence software. Its modular architecture and the robust design allows Greta field device to be permanently connected to gas networks and measure the concentration of different compounds in the stream. Hydrocarbons, odorants, sulfur compounds, hydrogen are analyzed and sent to a smart SCADA, where an advanced analysis process is running. The analysis SCADA software can be programmed in order to automate control processes, a brand new approach to gas network management. One of the possible applications is the analysis of the odorant level in the network. Data from the field is sent in real time to the SCADA. The SCADA combines odorant level data with pressure and flow rate at different points in the network and provides feedback to the in-grid odorant injection systems in order to ensure the needed odorant level at any time. This allows OPEX savings and more safety. Greta, inline, real-time analysis and smart management of gas processes, whenever and wherever you need.